Welcome to my channel. I'm Venus from Hearts to Desire by Venus. A couple weeks ago, I posted a bunch of pictures of a journal memory book that I created for a client, and everybody loved it. I'm so glad for all the comments. It was definitely a labor of love, but I didn't actually do a walkthrough of it because it was for somebody else. I didn't film it. But I did create a smaller sister version of it. So I'm going to show you that today because this one will go out in my store later, but I thought I would show you because I absolutely just loved it. And it's featuring this paper, which I will put the link below. It is a journal kit, and I just loved the colors, the dragonflies, and everything. So I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough. So it is a fabric covered book, and it is semi-hard copy. It's fabric with a lace over it, and you can see here I've attached the ribbon. I've glued the ribbon to the ribbon closure. Added a little cluster here. I have to say I just absolutely enjoyed making this book. It's one of those ones where you wish you didn't have to get rid of it, but I do because I have too many as it is. So it's smaller than the original version that I made. So this one is 8.5 by 6, and it's a bit of a chunky monkey. It's got a 2-inch spine, and I'm not gonna lie, I've probably overstuffed it a bit here. It's a little alligator-ish, but that's okay. I love it, and I think you guys are gonna love it too. So I just have a simple satin ribbon closure here, and I'm gonna open it up to the front page here and make sure I'm all in screen. There we go. So on the front here, I did this journal, this card this journal belongs to, left it for whoever. And you open the flap. There is a magnet closure here. Open the flap. And this is one of the videos that I made on how to make a pocket that you can stuff a lot of stuff into. It's a raised pocket. And in here, you've got 2 of the envelopes that are from this kit, and there's some items inside there, but I'll leave that as a peek for whoever purchases it. You don't want to spoil all the fun. So on the first page here, there is pullout. I did a lot of coffee dyed paper in here, and lace coffee dyed paper. So on the front here, the first page, there is this Velcro. Can you see that? Oh, I wasn't quite in the screen. There we go. It's a little Velcro corner pocket here. Inside, I've got this cute little envelope with the tiny, you see that cute clip? I just love it. It's a little heart clip. Open it up, and you've got journaling card inside there. I'm not going to open every envelope and everything because I do want it to be a surprise for whoever does purchase it. You don't want to spoil all the fun, but that slides back in there. And then this one flips out, and this one flips out, and you've got this beautiful paper. Plenty of spots for journaling or putting other things in. And then on this one, it does have another pull-out. Now this is a hybrid, so this is my cross between a mini album and a junk journal, which I personally love the duality, I guess, of having that. The memory album, or the mini album parts, this is one of my flip cards that I did do in a previous video, and under the belly band, is that you're using some thicker cardstock for this. So therefore, I find that allows me to put more of these embellishments and flips and flaps here without ruining the integrity of the book, having it on looser pages. And then I add a journal in there, so you still can have the best of both worlds. So this is a pocket. It opens up here. Well, kind of a pocket. And you've got a little journal part, and you've got a book tag in there. And Velcro seals closed. And then we're on to the journal section here. So your first page, make sure, oh, there we are in screen. Got some embossed book paper there. This is some coffee dyed paper, coffee lace, and nice embellishment on the bottom. I did leave the journal with lots of spots, the journaling section. So you can see, oh, okay, can you see that? I'll try that a little better. There, that flips open. So I tried to leave a lot of spots here for your own journaling in the journal section. Yeah, oh, there's an extra pocket part there. And that's for you can put a little photo on or whatever you so choose. This is avocado dyed paper here. Got some words and a little tab at the top. And this page is all stitched on. Again, this is the avocado paper, which I thought worked very well with this this paper line that I picked. Nice little embellishment on the top. Then you've got this one here with a little flip page with lots of spots for journaling. This is a little, from my end here, a layered tag. You just pop it out. Let's see, we got this one folds out, this one folds out. And in the back here is a little file folder with another spot for tags. It's all flips back in and secure with a tie. Just a little interactive page there. And that's again another envelope, which I'm not going to open. Don't want to ruin the surprises. Lots of coffee dyed paper. This is a little flip down. You can put a few journal cards, another envelope in there. Secured with Velcro. And some more. These ones are just, it's hard to see in the camera. They look white, but they're very slightly avocado dyed. And some more of that. Coffee dyed, more avocado. Another little cluster here. So you can see there's quite a bit of space in here. This is one of those 3D specimen cards that I made in a, oops, there we go, in a previous video. So I've just attached it here with a paper clip. So you can see I left it kind of naked for a lot. This is a pocket window tag that I did with embossed mushrooms on it. Oh, quite a few pages here. And then we're back into the mini album section. So there's a belly band here with a couple of tags that have been embossed and stitched. And then you've got a little bit of paper fold out here tucked in behind the belly band. And I like to put my tags out to the side so then you've got the ribbons and everything. Oops. So this one goes like this. This is a pocket with another little envelope and a tag. It goes in there and it flips open. You got a spot for journaling here. And then this is, open this closure. Flips open. And again, you've got another spot here for journaling cards, a couple of tags, another little flip out there, and it just secures with, there we go, just secures with the tie. Flip open, and then you've got your back here, which I do believe, I should probably put something in there because I do believe, let's see here, is it a pocket? Yes, it's a pocket. I thought so. I forgot to put something in it. And then you're at the back. You've got this beautiful lace on here stitched in, and it all ties up neatly with a nice purple satin ribbon. So perfect. I just wanted to show you that. Hopefully you love it as much as I do. It's beautiful paper, so it was so easy to work with and make a gorgeous hybrid album. This will be listed in my Etsy store in probably about a week. I just gotta make sure it's all good. Everything is dried. I just actually finished gluing a couple of pieces not that long ago, so I want to make sure it's all good. And I will be in there. So thank you for coming out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you can see what I'm doing when I'm doing it. And I will see you again soon.